guide you through how to go back to the old Outlook interface in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Outlook app or go to Outlook on your browser. Then look at the top right corner where you'll see the toggle switch labeled New Look or Try the New Outlook. Simply click the toggle to turn it off, and a prompt will appear asking for feedback on why you're switching back. Just select any reason to skip it available, then confirm by clicking switch back and wait a few seconds as Outlook reloads to the classic version. If you don't see the toggle, go to settings by clicking the gear icon, search for Outlook version or new Outlook and disable it from there. In some cases, you may need to restart the app or refresh your browser to fully apply the changes. If your account is managed by a company or school, the option might be restricted, so you'll need an admin permission. So that's it.